Imagine walking into your own indoor garden. Vibrant, healthy plants thriving under perfect conditions, all grown by you. With the Advanced Grow Kit, growing 9 to 12 plants has never been easier, cleaner, or more rewarding. This isn't just a grow kit. It's a complete indoor gardening solution designed by industry veterans who understand what makes plants flourish. The 48x48x80 Grow tent is built with 1680D Mylar, making it 3 to 9 times thicker than most tents on the market. That means maximum light reflection for your plants, keeping them healthy and strong. And with a 25mm steel frame that holds up to 300 pounds, your equipment and plants are always safe and supported. Every detail is carefully thought out. Heavy-duty, hand-stitched zippers with light-blocking flaps keep light, and odors inside. Multiple viewports let you monitor your plants without disturbing them. 3 ventilation ports are ready for your carbon filtration system, while removable interior trays keep your space clean and water-free. Plus, a hanging bag organizes all your hardware in one place, so you spend less time fumbling and more time growing. But this kit is about more than just hardware. It's about confidence, ease, and results. Energy-efficient design saves electricity while producing maximum yield. Tear-proof and waterproof materials mean your investment lasts hundreds of growing cycles, saving you money over time. And with human-centered design, including multi-size vents for different ventilation systems, growing becomes simple for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. We're here to empower indoor growers. With our dedicated grow support and 1-year full warranty, you'll never be alone on your growing journey. This is more than a kit. It's a long-term partner for your indoor gardening dreams. So why wait? Don't settle for knockoffs or low-quality tents. Invest in the Advanced Grow Kit, built to last, designed for high yield, and crafted to make indoor gardening fun, easy, and rewarding. Start growing smarter, stronger, and bigger today. Links in descriptions.